I've seen on YouTube that a lot of people are having a hard time getting two-step authentication turned on so that they can manage their clients' YouTube ad, Google ad accounts in their Google Ad Manager account. I was having the exact same problem, and I figured out what was at the root. I was not able to see a button in my Google account that said turn on two-step authentication. And it turned out the reason was because the Gmail account or the Google email account I was using was not just a straightforward Gmail account. It was a customized domain name account, as I will show you in a minute, that I managed under a Google Workspace account. So anyway, I found a YouTube video that showed me how to do it, but guess what? Now I can't find it again. So here is what that YouTube video taught me to do. Click on I'm now signed in with this, which is frankdigitalmediapositioning.com. And first you click on that, come to this, choose Manage Your Google Account. Then you come here to the 9 dots and click again and scroll down to Admin. Now, when I first came to this screen, I saw this, and I didn't see what the previous YouTube video directed me to look for, which was security. Security! So you need to find security and click on that. It looks like all of this stuff is grayed out, but it isn't really. You just drop down, and then you're able to see this stuff. Now, here's the trick. Okay. You want to allow users to turn on two-step verification, and that's fine. But keep in mind, you may have multiple users under your Google Workspace account. I do not. I currently only have this one email address. And so the trick is, if you wanted to turn this on and enforce it on all users, Google will not allow you to do that until you turn it on for yourself first. So this took me an extra 10 minutes to figure out. So you want to allow users to turn it on themselves, but do not enforce it this time. If you want to come back, this is do not enforce now so that you can allow yourself to do it. If you want to come back later so that you can enforce it on everybody, do it after you've got yourself set up and then turn it on. And when you do that, you can change the enrollment period. There's all kinds of things you can do. But what you want to do is turn this on, allow users to turn on two-step verification, enforcement off, and everything else left the way you see it right now. Now, I am not going to click Save because I already have these settings saved. But when you click Save, it should then take you through a couple of steps to allow you to authenticate that you really are who you say you are right now. But before you know it, you will now be able to turn on two-step authentication, go back to your Google Ads account, and be able to manage your clients' Google Ads, YouTube ads, what have you, as you had before. Hope this helps.